how to fill up a form on PDF from mobile. So if you want to fill up a form on PDF from your mobile, then what you need to do is you just need to simply have an application. But before that, you need to make sure that you have a stable internet connection and make sure that your Play Store is up to date. Once done, you need to search for WPS and you need to download this application. You need to have this WPS Office PDF, Work, or Sheet. Once you find this application, you need to go and install it. And after installing, tap on Open. After that, you can just simply go and sign in. After signing in, you'll get this kind of interface. You just need to simply go for that PDF where you have to fill up a form. Once you go with your PDF, you need to open it via WPS. Or you can also just simply go with this device and then you will have your PDF right here. You can just simply tap on that PDF and you'll be able to fill up the form. So you can also go with your files, which will be on the bottom, and then go with the PDF, which will be on the top, and go and select the PDF file that you would like to edit or that you would like to fill up. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.